Okay, multiply. You can do this, by hand just fine. Or you can use a calculator, I guess. Negative 18. I can show you that by hand real quick. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Cross that off and add 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. And now we add going down. Of course, there's nothing there to add, so we get 1800. We count how many spaces are there total. 1, 2 spaces. 1, 2 spaces. And this number is positive. This number is negative. Positive times negative is negative. So we have negative 18.00, or in other words, negative 18. Okay. This one I'm going to actually do by hand because changing this to a mixed number might be a little bit faster. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And then negative 13 times negative 11 is going to be positive 143. 4 times 5 is 20. So you see how we have a positive number here. And this cannot simplify. That's correct. All right, PEMDAS says we must do exponents first. Then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So the first thing first is do all of these exponents. 9 cubed, 81 times 9, big number, 729. 9 squared is 81, and 3 cubed is 27. Now we do division, multiplication division next, right, PEMDAS? No parentheses, we do exponents first. Then we do multiplication and division. 81 divided by 27 is 3. That one's done. Now we do addition and subtraction. It's going to be 726. Last one, same process. 24 divided by 8 squared minus 7. Parentheses are first, so we do the inside of the parentheses first, which is going to be 24 divided by 8, which is 3. Now, I wrote parentheses here just to kind of show you that these parentheses just kind of collapse in like that. They don't actually mean anything in this point because there's only a single number in there. There's not an operation. Therefore, you could just drop the parentheses and it wouldn't change anything. Typically, it's good to leave the parentheses in until you do something like squaring it. 3 squared is 9. Now there's really no point, right? Parentheses around that. 9 minus 7 is 2. So we did parentheses. Exponents was the next thing. There was no multiplication division. So addition and subtraction was the last thing we did there. 2. And that's the last problem.